Defensive driving school. Get defensive.
This is a public service announcement on the importance of seatbelt safety.
This is Chad, wearing his seatbelt like this. This is Chad after getting T-boned. He broke 5 ribs and lacerated his spleen.
Ah! My spleen!
Would you like some Neosporin on that?
Also, please don't be like Mike. With massive internal injuries. Or Lisa. With broken collarbones and sternum. Or Brad. With serious head trauma. And whatever you do, don't be Joe. In not wearing his seatbelt, Joe was thrown from the car and didn't survive his crash. Be like Karen, who not only wore her seatbelt, made all of her friends wear them too. After their crash, Karen and her friends only suffered minor bruising and chest pain.
Seatbelts reduce the risk of death for all passengers by 45% and reduce the risk of serious injury for all passengers by 50%. Don't be a Chad, a Mike, a Lisa, a Brad, or a Joe. Be a Karen. Stay safe.